Brief, accurate and important news of today's Thursday. Minister of Foreign Affairs says the occupiers have murdered or imprisoned Afghans who oppose the occupation in the name of tourism for the past 20 years. Now they are creating obstacles against the Afghan government under the pretext of inclusiveness. However, the occupiers did not define themselves for 20 years, nor do they have a comprehensive definition in modern law. The National Food and Drug Administration said in a press conference about its activities, achievements and challenges that it is trying to give citizens access to standard medicine and food. Sheikh Shahabuddin Dilawar, acting Minister of Mines and Petroleum, met with BBC reporter Dawood Junbash. During this visit, Mr. Junbash appreciated the activities and achievement of the Ministry of Mines and Petroleum in the management of Afghanistan's mineral resources. Kabul municipality says in the 9th block of Ahmad Shah Baba Mena, the works of 26 sub-roads will be completed soon. The 2023 World Cup trophy has arrived in Kabul. The Afghanistan Cricket Board says that the 2023 World Cup trophy has been brought to Kabul this morning. This cup will be exhibited in different provinces of Afghanistan. Maulavi Matiul Haq Khalis, the director of the Afghan Red Crescent, said in a meeting in Panjshir that there is no discrimination in the distribution of aid, but it is distributed fairly among the needy people. He added that he is going to talk with the international community to receive emergency aid to provide work opportunities for the needy.